Today we are going to answer one of the frequently asked questions. What is the difference between standard clutch and our Motex CM slipper clutch? The answer is simple. It's the structure and performance.
This is what the hub of a standard clutch and a slipper clutch looks like. This is the disc of standard clutch, and this is the disc of slipper clutch. You can see that the structure of the slipper clutch is much more complex. This is because it adds an important mechanism compared to a standard clutch, the freewheel mechanism. Correspondingly, their clutch sleeve structures are also very different. You can clearly see the complex structure of the slipper clutch sleeve. Naturally, this complexity corresponds to its superior performance compared to a standard clutch and advanced design and manufacturing techniques required. In the past, slipper clutches were widely used on the racetrack due to their various performance advantages. Now, Motex have decided to supply slipper clutches to the general public, allowing everyone to enjoy the racetrack level superior performance.
And there, my friend, is where the slipper clutch comes in.
A lighter, more comfortable, and smoother clutch engagement and gear shifting experience. Let everyone to experience the clutch feel of a professional racer. To reduce the wear and tear of the transmission system, to decrease and absorb the aftermath of the engine braking force. Because of its special structure, the slipper clutch will spontaneously help match the engine speed with the wheel speed. Mitigates wheel hop caused by engine braking during deceleration. This is a clip of KTM riders testing the clutch. We can clearly see that the slipper clutch significantly reduces the extent of rear wheel hop. To prevent disastrous rear wheel lock in case of engine and transmission failure. Let us say you are racing at a high speed and there is a sharp corner ahead and you have lesser time and you want to shift 2 or 3 gears at a time with the conventional transmission mechanism. You can do it at the cost of damaging the gearbox and putting your safety at risk due to the engine braking force. Similarly, in everyday situations, sudden events on the road that require emergency braking can greatly increase the risk of rear wheel lockup, loss of motor control, and pose safety threats to yourself and others. But this is what happens when using a standard clutch. If you replace it with a slipper clutch, even if you downshift aggressively, the engine cannot overbrake the rear wheel and cause wheel hop. This greatly enhances the rider's safety. So how does the slipper clutch achieve this? Let's take a quick look at its working principle. When we aggressively downshift, the engine speed does not match the rear wheel speed. At this time, the special freewheel mechanism of the slipper clutch ramp structure converts the rotational force into a lateral force that spreads the clutch, reducing the impact of aggressive braking. Conversely, when accelerating, the ramp structure converts some of the rotational force into a clamping force, which tightens the clutch engagement and maximizes power transfer. To achieve the working principle and complex structure of the slipper clutch, high-level craftsmanship is essential. An aluminum alloy slipper clutch. For example, at Motex or CM, we use only the highest performing aluminum alloys as raw materials. Consistent spring tension. Motex CM's automated production ensures that each screw receives an equal degree of rotation, ensuring uniform stress distribution and extending the service life. maximum power delivery. Motex has senior, outstanding engineer and designer to develop patented slipper clutches, striving to achieve the pinnacle of clutch performance.
In the future, high-performance slipper clutches will no longer be the exclusive secret weapon. For instance, the patented slipper clutch from Motex CM will be your partner.